Breakout after breakout, our favorite Wall Street bet plays continue to recover strongly. Is it time for a reversal? Are the hedges running out of ammunition? Can't wait to show you the charts today. To begin, there's the TradingView technical indicator signals for AMC. We noted last time that the higher time frames, the monthly, weekly, daily charts, had a buy signal technically. So we have a neutral buy on the month. For the week, strong buy. The day, a couple more buy signals. I'm just going lower and lower to higher time frames here. So buy, strong buy on the 4 hour for swing trading. The 1 hour, 15 minute, 2 buy signals, 1 sell signal. Even the 5 minute. Even the 1 minute. Neutral, strong buy. So these higher time frames actually had sell signals the past couple of weeks. They now have buy signals across the board. Keeping up with the short interest for AMC now. I'm on Fintel real quick. Volume ratio, the day 24% on 421. So that's on Wednesday is 24%, down from 30%. They have 200,000 short shares availability. That's not a small number. They have some ammunition there. It does cost them 26% to borrow those shares. That's a significant fee. They're not willing to borrow at that type of high rate for very long. So you can see the volume's actually been going down. So it was 31 about a week ago, 36, 31, and then 29, 24 on Wednesday. So this week, Monday 31, Tuesday 29, Wednesday 24. It's been decreasing over the week. They're not shorting it as heavily as last week when it was above 30. Jumping into the charts is their day trading chart. It's becoming a little difficult to see the pattern in effect here. I will just note that our next short-term target, the next little resistance area, is going to be the $10 psychological resistance. That's been broken through just the other day here. It's not as strong or hard of a resistance as it once was in the past. I think next time we test $10 on AMC, it's going to extend right on out of there. To clear things up, shout out to our German friends overseas holding AMC. Look at this AH9 chart. The ticker's AH9 up here at the left. That's the German markets for AMC. I'm just going to analyze the candle closes on the day for Wednesday. It's a bullish candle close. It's much higher than the previous day's close here. As a matter of fact, this market's open right now. This is an open live market. It's up right now. And that is somewhat tracking the US markets, but I like how simple it looks on the chart here. Going to the weekly candle close is extremely bullish as well. Okay, so it is not actually a close until Friday, but it's looking to close very nicely. It's looking to put in a nice bullish candle close on the week, potentially way up here. Taking a measured move, that would be about 15 to 20% higher. That's the target for the week right now, 15-20%. Back over to the US markets, if I take an extension now from where it is today, 15 to 20% up from here is going to put it all the way back at about $11, guys. So on the US markets, the short-term targets up here, about $11. Aligns with some of these horizontal resistances from the previous price action back here. This small box consolidation. I'll even extend it all the way over. It's relevant going forward into the future. That's somewhat of a small resistance area. It may have a little dip after that, but we are looking for this bottom support trend line to hold steadily over the end of the month, really, for the time being. All the indicators look bullish. We've covered that a lot on the live streams. I'll be live Friday morning, 9 o'clock a.m. See you there. Now, keeping things short and sweet today because I do have a few charts I'd like to show you. There's some interesting long opportunities in the markets. Not everything looks rough right now. GameStop still sketchy. It's underneath all these hard resistances just above. It really needs to get to 177 at this point for any kind of bullish continuation from here. So short-term support's just below here at roughly $150. If it does break below 150, it could get rough. Be aware of that. That's what the chart says here. I'm not bearish on it myself. This is an unbiased analysis. That's what the chart shows right here. It may take another dip back down to this buy box range below $120. That would be an amazing entry for later if it does go down there, because then that would lower our breakout confirmation all the way down here. It's not all bearish. This is an indecision candle close on the day for Wednesday, so it's looking to potentially change its mind to GameStop. We'll have to see as time goes on, but patience is key here. I'll keep you posted. NAKD showed a strong breakout just the other day. It appears to be finding some sort of a bottom here, some sort of a floor down at 45 cents. That looked bottom out. I'm happy some people were able to enter down there, very low prices. That's a buy box accumulation. This is a buy box on NAKD. It touched there perfectly. It bounced out of there already. We don't have much time to make up our moves here, make up our minds and decide what we're actually going to do in the trades. As soon as you figure it out and make up your mind, it's too late. So this is a nice hot beverage steaming up on NAKD. Not only that, CTRM. Very similar pattern here. It showed multiple big breakouts over the past week, and it is looking to continue as well off of this support, the bottom of this buy box, 45 cents. Other plays look great too. Nokia. Apparently there's some bearish sentiment on Nokia, but this chart is looking decent. It is a bigger rounded bottom in effect here right now below, creating support, and it's looking to break out in the near future. If it does reach above this buy box area, it'll have to break out about $4.40 right about here. If it hits that, it's looking to push higher. So that's a great setup at the moment for Nokia bulls. Speaking of bulls, CCIV Bay, wow, what a day on that. Amazing stuff. The bear trap is playing out. People were very skeptical about this bear trap idea. There was a lot of panic and FUD here on CCIV. A lot of paper hands folding, exiting the markets. It was a huge bounce. It's up at least 10% from the bottom. Talking 12%, 12.5%. A bunch of the viewers in the stream entered way down here that morning That's pretty awesome. They're already up 12.5% at the moment, and this is also looking to break out even further. Hopefully we see it closing about $21 back into this buy box area by the end of the week. Lastly, CVM. One of our members spotted this trade idea the other day. It wasn't an idea back then, but we've created an idea out of it. They were simply watching the asset, but we were able to spot this amazing opportunity here as well, right off this bottom. And we've seen a huge push out of there. This is also looking to play out to a large move to the green side here. If it continues from where it is right now, the short-term resistance is going to be about $20.50. If it reaches beyond that, it is looking to extend as high as 100% in the short to mid-term. Great stuff. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Happy trading.